In the last lesson, we styled our website. Now let's style this contact me button. Let's head over to this website. You can generate button of your choice. So let's increase the font size and you can make changes according to your choice. Let's copy this by clicking on get code. Paste it into our CSS style sheet. You can see that we have class name button. So let's change it. It's not my button, it's button. Now you'll be wondering what is this hover means. Let me show you. When I move my mouse around this contact me button, color changes. So this is what we call hovering. And let's save this and see. Let's refresh. You can see contact me button and we hover over it. So now let's add footer. First of all, let us create a tag. Let's add tag to our index.html footer tag and paste this code into the footer tag. I'll be providing this tag an ID footer. So what is difference between ID and footer? Actually they work in the same way, but we can give same class to many elements, but ID is unique. You can only give an ID to one element, but you cannot repeat the ID in your entire HTML code. So let's see how it works. When I head over to the style sheet, we have to add this ID, but instead of dot we'll use hash because ID is different and class is different. They works in the same way, but still we cannot repeat the ID as classes. So let's hit save and check. Our font is not visible, our links are not visible, so we have to change the color of them. In the footer, the paragraph tag, I have given paragraph and a class of copy right. So let's change the color of copyright. Color white. You can write white also, like #FFF, and also give color to footer link. Let's give the same color our text is having, H3 and H2. Okay, color, and now let's hit save and refresh. Everything is visible now. So we are done with this. Now what about this image? I want to change the shape of this image, so let us give this image a class. Let's say DP. Let's add this to our style sheet and change the radius of the image. Border radius border radius 100%. And here we go. Now our website is looking like we have achieved our goal. You can see, but still there is something which is missing, and that is the favicon. But before that, let me show you one thing. This is a flaticon.com website. Here you can find any icon you want. For example, let's say computer. And you can see several icons, premium also and free also. So for example, this desktop icon, if I click on it, click on png, you can download it or copy the link below to your head, inside your head tag. So this is flaticon.com. You can always come here and play around. Okay, now let's head over to our concern about favicon. This is called favicon, the image near our title. So let's see from where we can find. As a programmer, you should always know from where you can find such things. So we can generate favicon several ways, like from, if you have any image in your PC and you want to create favicon out of it, you can head over to website like this. First of all, you have to choose any image from your PC and click on create favicon. The favicon will be created. As I haven't chosen any image, so nothing is there. Let's look for favicon generator, from where we can generate favicon out of text. So let's look for something like that, and let's see. Let's check this website, and here also we have to upload any image to get a favicon. You can choose the size also, like here the default size is 16 pixel of favicon. So but we do not want this right now. Favicon, and here we have favicon generated from text. So let's check this site, and here we have text to ICO. ICO is the extension we use for favicon, favicon.ico. Here you can write any text you want, like let's say R, and you can define the shape. You can always preview like how your favicon will look like. So this is fine, and you can see these links. When you'll click on download, you'll be getting these images with different sizes. So let's copy one of these links, let's say 16 by 16 size, but we have to download so that these links can work, because they are not a link on like on a website you can just click and visit. These images are supposed to be in your PC. So first of all, let's create a comment of favicon. You, as a programmer, you should be very much organized with such things. And let's download. Click on download button, and when you download this, you will get a zip file. You can see. Now let's unzip this file to the folder, to the web folder. Inside the web folder we have images folder, so that is our target where we have to unzip our file. Desktop, web, images, and let's click on OK. If we check, our folder will be getting these images, and we only want the image with extension .ico, and the rest of the images we can delete. Let's delete the rest of the images, and let's check this is ICO file. Let's check the properties and extension. You can see that it is .ico, so we are not supposed to delete that. We have to use this. Let's change our location and extension so that our favicon can work. Images, favicon.ico, and these things we do not want, so let's delete them. And let's hit save and refresh. So here we go. Now it's your turn to create a website, and let me know in the comment section below. So for more, stay tuned.